Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making salmon with pesto and veggies on the side. And these are the ingredients you'll need. This is wild salmon, organic. This is for the pesto, basil, the pine, the garlic. This is all you'll need. I hope you try. So we're adding the salmon. This is a non-stick pan. So we put the salmon face down first. We're gonna cook it in the pan, that pan. And this is the side dish that's gonna be the sweet broccoli. So the salmon now is ready. Oops. And it's cooked. It's perfect. Everything is ready now. Amazing. Hello, welcome to my channel. This is my salmon with pesto and veggies. Today's dinner. And I hope you guys try this recipe. It's super easy and delicious.